golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Let's go here. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live call. I'm Moji. I'm one of the lead traders here with TWA. Today we have guests. Today we have DC. Oh, let's go here. DC and Cloud. Hey guys.
Hey
What's up?
guys.
Oh,
Here we go. We're good now.
oh my God.
So something happened in the market today. All I see is a huge red candle when I woke up this morning. So something happened. Cloud, you want to fill us in on or DC what you experienced or saw?
So, China has an alternative to ChatGPT, and that was announced that it takes less computing power, so less NVIDIA chips than the current ChatGPT that we have, and it's also free. So it caused a big drop in the market. I actually wasn't expecting this big of a drop, honestly. It's I'm just kind of taken back, by like by now, and just kind of seeing how how the video dropped. I think we're gonna be in for a long, long trading day. But also, we have to, like, we do have to keep in mind that this week is going to be. We have a lot of news this week. I did drop it in the news channel. Not only do we have a lot of news, we have a lot of earnings as well too. So for today, we have new home sales at 10 a.m. Tuesday we have durable goods at 8:30. We have consumer confidence at 10. Wednesday we have pending home sales at 10 o'clock, and we have our best friend Jerome Powell at 2 p.m. Thursday we have gross domestic product, that's GDP. On Friday 8:30 we have employment. Oh man, we have employment on Friday 8:30. Some of our big earnings we have this on the tech side. We have SAP tomorrow. We have Logitech tomorrow. Wednesday is going to be the big day. We have Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, IBM. Thursday, another powerful day. Me personally, Thursday is going to be a day that I'm looking forward to the most. We have Mastercard in the morning. Not only Mastercard, we also have Comcast. I'm looking at those two, in particular, along with Caterpillar. But then for the Nasdaq, we have Apple, Intel, all on Thursday afternoon. So from Wednesday to Thursday is going to be a big, big, big day in the market.
Very cool. All right, so you heard it here. Got a lot of news this week. Started by some huge new product, new AI that dropped over in China that I think it's safe to say spooked the market, just based on what I see in the charts here. However, also remember when in TWA, we trade what's in front of us too, right? So the move happened. It was funny. DC asked, "Oh, Mo, do you have to redo your levels?" I was like, "No," because I woke up late, so I didn't do levels last night. I did them this morning, and I just the move already happened, but you could still find areas. Remember, we're day traders, right? So we can find areas to trade. Just remember though, with all the news coming, just like Cloud was saying, maybe your risk management, your contract level you might want to adjust it a bit. DC, what do you have for us this morning?
Just one small comment. Uh, Jerome Powell might be Cloud's friend. He's now a friend of mine. That's all. Otherwise, I think Cloud put it perfectly.
Let's see. Let's get some. What time is it? It is 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
What AI news specifically? Does anybody have a link? Let me see if I can find a link to the news.
I put it in the news channel.
Okay.
I wrote up.
I'll put the link to the news channel from the Discord in the comments. Here, news and events. There you go. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna get this link. I'll put it in the comments so everybody can see it, or at least head to the Discord if you want to All right, just follow that link to the Discord. That'll take you right to Cloud's post on the news. Yeah. Yeah, we're overextended on everything. So I'll do this. So this way, I know everyone's watching. I try to say it as best as possible. We're definitely overextended on the 4 hour. However, you have to keep in mind. The bigger picture, right? We just shot down like 1,000 points. Okay, so you're gonna see that the 4 hours is gonna be overextended because it's not a normal day. It's not a normal day for the market to drop 1,000 points in. Let's see, how long did it take, DC?
Oh my god.
It took.
Weeks?
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
So the 4 hours. So what are you going to see with these indicators, right? Yeah, 4 hours is going to be a little extended. Okay, you're going to see that. However, you also have to look. If you're in the, this is very important. If you're in the mentorship, don't forget to look to your left to see what is available. You might have to redo some of your levels just to see what is around. And also just let the open happen. I'll put it that way. Let the open happen. Let's see if US wants to continue this push down or gonna try to take some of it back.
Okay, we're about to be the open, guys. Focus.
And we are open now.
Okay, we are open.
Weekly level right here. I'm scalping this right here.
We got
Yeah,
a
me
buy
too.
button.
Yeah, I scalped it. Quick little scalp. Right,
Let's
like
go. Nice scalp right here, boys.
right from the weekly level at 150. Okay, I'm going to be in 5 micros here. Hold on. Okay. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Let's see if we can get to 226. I'm gonna be at 5 micros at 226. Oh, 50. Oh my god. Okay, it's one of them days. It's one of them days.
So what I did, so everybody, I just put in 2 micros in. I scalped one long. I put 2 micros in now just to see because I have a feeling this is going to be a retracement. That's what I'm playing. Yes, I know we're above the 4 hour, and I'm willing to risk it because if I'm looking at the higher time frames, especially one I can't talk about. Sorry, but there's one I cannot talk about on YouTube. If you do want to know about it, you have to talk to Adam. You have to try to get into this. if you're not already, into the Excel. But there's a reason why I'm taking this long. And I can tell you this, though, from where we are, I'm looking for it to get to 21,500. And if it can get there, I can look for it to get to 21,630. With a couple micros, that's not too shabby.
Yeah, that's 100 points for me that hit on right at the open in the first 2 minutes of the day.
Very nice, very nice.
I definitely wasn't expecting to move like that at all, honestly. Apple is flying right now. So is Nvidia. So is Meta. So is Amazon.
Everybody thinks it's cheap.
Yep. I'm already risk free, so. Let's see what this one micro can do, baby. Let's go.
Fly.
Where is this stop at? It's down here. That's right there. Oof, man, the Dom's going nuts. Oh.
Definitely.
We're at 20 ATR, just like Cloud predicted. So these are days where adjusting your contract sizing is very important.
This is VWAP right here. Just know we literally just had a 100-point move right at the New York Open. So give it some time to possibly come down a little bit.
Yeah, in 13 hours, erased the move that took weeks. Crazy. This market is nuts. Anybody think that's retaliation for TikTok? No. I'm just saying, like, conspiracy. We got approved sign on the. See, this is days where even though we get all these signs, like proved, whatever, it's kind of like when you're tracing from such a move, you gotta take it with a grain of salt. I'll put it that way.
And we're right at a key area right here from last night. I kind of have to wait a little bit, and we're right at VWAP as well too. So like it could look enticing for a continuation back up, but let's not be fooled. Let's not get fooled right at the open. We have all day to trade.
Yeah, I'm not surprised we're getting stuck right here either. Not
Oh, did you
Surprise
post
one bit.
the link in the free chat?
In the free chat,
Yeah.
it's in the comments. So if you look at it's in the YouTube comments.
Okay.
Okay, we are right here.
You see where we at right here, right, Mo?
Yeah.
You see,
Yep.
if we can close above this 250, I might take another trade. I might wait, honestly, 4 hours, but I might take another trade. We have news at 10 o'clock though, by the way.
Whew. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna show this. Wait, I gotta take this out first. Just want to show everybody this real quick. Here. So this is my game plan that I did at 8:30 this morning. I had my low day at around the 8:20s, and I have my high day around in the 450s. I'm gonna actually adjust that to about the 500s. But you could see we had this huge push down, and then almost like a slingshot retracement. So that's why I took the long. That's the only reason I took it down here, right here. That's the only thing I had. Nothing else. No. Right now that trade's up. That micro's running right now, so let it run. I don't like how the 1 minute has like makes these money zones look so huge. Then I realize I'm zoomed in. So here we go. It's the 30-second again. All right, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if I can hold this micro till the end of the live session. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to hold for me.
We're right here at the monthly open on NASDAQ.
Yeah. So CR, you see how we're staying above that super expensive box? That's how you know it's not a. How do I put
Normal.
it? A normal trading day. Man, the Dom is nuts. Wow. Let's see what we have brewing, if anything. My gosh, look at this. We're up here now? Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. What a push by New York and from the open.
If we can stay above this 300 right here, I think we can get a nice clean move to 327. But we gotta stay above 300 though.
Okay, new 15-minute. Yeah, I would like to see this stay above 250 so we could break that 300. And then the next one would be above 300, around 315, staying above there. Let's see here. Let's change this a bit. Okay. We're knocking at that door to 300 level. Cloud called out. See if we could break through it. Oh my god. Man, I should have bought it last night.
The Dom is going crazy. The Dom is going crazy. I just need to close above this area. I just want to close above this area.
Okay, here we go. 300. Let's go.
buddy of mine just texted me, asking me to call him. Call him is important, and I'm texting him, talking about, what's wrong. He said he's in shorts. What should he do?
He's his shorts.
Get get out.
Yeah, he's in shorts.
Get out now. Take profit. No, because I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, you could see, especially if you use
Actually,
the
second
market
level is
structure,
what I called out for the scalp above 300. Let's see if we can get it.
especially if you use the market structure indicator we have.
Yeah, he refuses to sign up for the indicators. His indicator is texting me.
Oh well.
Yeah.
You have to put a paywall up then, Cloud. Like those newspaper things. You start the article and then you're like, oh, if you want the rest, just go here.
We just have to stay above 300.
You know what I am gonna do though? I think I can now move this to break even. I think we're far enough.
I've been at break even. Come on, Mo. We're 100 points up. How are you not at break even already?
I'm running on the wild side, man.
I see.
With one micro, I allow it to breathe more. Remember, I only have one micro left, so
I have 2 micros left, so I understand what you're saying.
my big scalp came earlier. Very happy with it.
It still bothers me again. I'm gonna keep saying it. It still bothers me that it's like whenever I go heavy, I get the trades that I want right when I take the trade. Because I took this trade a lot heavier than I told myself I was gonna trade this week, and literally within seconds, boom, it moved. And then whenever I trade light 5-10 micros, man, I don't get the move I'm looking for. Hey DC, what are you seeing here, man? Are we seeing the same thing right here with this high at 311?
Yeah, I mean, we just have to, if we get past it and hold. Oh man, there is space to like really fly.
So
But
one thing that you're gonna notice, like
we
between
have to get some big money involved here, otherwise this level will not break.
All right, somebody get on the phone. You know who to call.
9 minutes, man, 9 minutes, 9 minutes. That phone call might come in 9 minutes. I might be looking to take an option trade soon on TLT. It's a bond. The last trade I gave out was Nvidia last couple weeks ago. That went 57 points. I mean, I said 57%. Let's try to see if we can keep the streak alive. It's loving this 300 right here. I might miss my ad, but I'm looking to add. Oh yeah,
Oh
yeah,
man,
missed.
yikes!
But we got news and soon. I don't really care. I don't care. I missed my ad a few times. But the goal this week is perseverance and survival.
Let's see. We got 6 minutes till the news comes out in a new 4 hour. What's the ATR?
26.
The price moves so fast overnight that I have to reload some of my indicators.
Golly, what is going on?
Why is it not showing up?
We do have news in 5 minutes. Keep that in mind. We did wick off this weekly level I have up here at 327. We are bouncing between, I have a monthly cluster between 293 and 260 and 269. There's 3 monthly levels there. The most recent monthly level is at 269 down here. If we break below 269, really right now my stop losses on my longs that I took this morning are right at 225, right below the monthly level of 226. Oh my! I keep texting people. If you look, like if you're one of the trend line type of traders, look at most chart. We do have a trend line on that 1 minute chart he's showing. The good thing about that trend line is the candles are green, the surge is green, everything is green. So it's showing you that like even if we do test the bottom of that trend line, it's a high likelihood that we're going to bounce off and make another high. What do y'all call that? A higher high, higher low,
Yeah,
or lower high? Yeah. Sorry,
yeah,
I'm not a trend line type of trader. I'm not a market structure type of trader either.
yeah. I mean, we just came. So for people who are, we just came off of a new structure low back at on a 15-minute time frame. Hold on, let me just get the right time. Around 6 a.m. was the new structure low, and that started this retracement to the upside. Right now, we're at a lower high. DC could talk more on this later on once we get more information. But if I look at the dashboard, you can see we are It's flipped over price action to pull back with trend, which I'm not too sure about right now. But in any case, let's go. I'll just go over this real quick. You see the blue button here? Let me just take off the 4 hours so you can see it. There you go. We had a blue Gabby buy button. We had a dark red IVD candles. That means a weakness on the bearish side, followed by a buy sign. And if you follow my setup, you had 1, 2, 3 go in, and then everything matched with you, and you had a nice little trade from the open.
As long as long as we stay above this 310 area, and
We're good to
really
go.
Yep.
stay above this 310, 327. There's no reason why we should not strongly test 378 very easily.
388, you mean? Yeah.
Um, 378.
Yeah, 10 points. What's 10 points between friends?
No, like I know what he's talking about when he called out his level. My level is just a weekly level. It's just easier to call out for
Yeah.
for the individual.
I got 400, so we're in the ballpark. We're seeing the same things.
After that, I have 450.
I have 476.
Let's go.
New 4 hour news just dropped. Let's see what it is. The news.
Oh, this is so nice. So nice if you want to get in the long. It could come down to here, in the 280s.
Oh, new home sales are up actually. New home sales are up. Let it come down a little bit to like the 300 area. I may check another ad. It's at 300 now. Let's see if we can get back above this 312. I'm gonna take it. Watching it. The only reason why I haven't taken it yet is because the evidence lines are red on the 5 and the 15 second. And we have some sellers stepping in the market here.
We're in a new 15-minute, right? Yep.
Those evidence lines are still red right here. Makes it tells me we have a little bit of more downside.
Okay, this area bulls should start to come
Come
in.
in, right? Yeah.
I wouldn't want it to go below 250.
Yeah, same. But those evidence lines are still red. Let's see if we get back above 300 again.
I do see a little bit of bulls, but they're gonna need to do better.
Let's go. I just scalped a little long right there, and I'm in my other long.
Good Mo, good Mo, good Mo.
So let me just explain why did I scalp along there? What was my justification reasoning? Well, look, that's beautiful right there. Let's
Oh
just
my
enjoy
God.
this for a second. But
Oh my. Let's go.
so what happened? Well, the 4 hour context now makes more sense to me. Once I saw price push down, and I realized that it was the bulls were entering around this area, right where DC and Cloud had mentioned. Then, if you look at my surge here, you see how we had exhausted uh, sellers, and then all we did is this is still green here, so the direction was long, and all I waited for was my surge to pop green, the the pullback. Um, I don't know the name of the two lines, but once both lines pop green, then that's when I entered.
Look, look where we wicked off of that 4 hour right there. So let's watch this a little bit more. let's watch this a little bit more. I think Mo's trade of that scalp was actually the best trade in this area potentially. I mean, hindsight's 2020, but DC caught a nice and long off of this monthly level of 270 right here, right? Also in the
Mhm.
15-second money zone. Also, we were hovering at the bottom of the cheap box and at the top of the cheap box on the small setting.
Go on a long 1 minute. See what it looks like there. Yeah, there's no reason to get out of any longs. Ooh, just where DC said about that 250, that's where the algo trailing stop loss line is. I like that a lot. Actually, where's my stop?
Nvidia is dumping right now. Nvidia is dumping right now.
Okay, I don't want that.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh.
Well, is your chart the? So I have I'll just put this on there. So I have two charts. This one here, this is my setup chart that's on the Discord. This is a 1 minute, and then this one here that you see the pullback on, that's on the 30 second. And I flip between the two. Uh, why do I flip between the two? It's because I look for confirmation, right? So I see the 30 second will get you in faster, and my 1 minute is designed to get me in and then keep me in for longer. As you can see here, this is the strict candles up here. They're green. You see, you have a little less triggers. We're on the 30 second. You have a little more. Like you had an opportunity to buy here at the beginning. You had it improve. You had a continuation. You had a little buy later. So 30 second, always remember you're gonna have more signals pop up, but make sure it makes sense within the context that you're looking at. Where on the 1 minute, it tends to be less.
Seems like the market seems like it's kind of found a little stall area, I think.
Is nobody worried that we couldn't get back above the 4-hour close?
No, yeah.
Not yet.
I mean, I took a scalp short.
Well, good job calling it.
Hey, easy. Okay, I learned from the school of DC. No, why did I? What? Excuse me. It only took a 5-point scalp. Am I still in this, or am I out? Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna dance around here for a little bit. Okay, let me just put some.
That's disappointing though.
What?
This move.
I took some earlier that did not work. Took this one.
I'm trying to long here. Risky
Mm.
as a scout.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see it.
You taking it with me or no?
Mm. But I don't have any objections.
Okay. I'm going to break even because I feel like it could just like dump on me. No continuation. No, well, no strong continuation. Flat, 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 flat.
Didn't take anything?
I took a trim, but it was just two micros. I was looking.
Uh,
I thought I was gonna get a bigger move there.
no, don't like it. Don't like it at all.
I'm in again. I'm in again. Okay. Golly. Okay. This is what I was looking for that first trade that I took. I don't know why I didn't get it. Whatever. I, I'm gonna keep saying it. Like I'm gonna keep saying it. Whenever I take a trade heavy, it goes in my direction immediately. Oh my god. I'm taking 30 micros off here, man. I'm gonna call it.
Excuse
I'm
me.
gonna call it. Like I'm just annoyed, man. I'm just annoyed because it's like whenever I take a trade heavy, I get the move I'm looking for every time.
Okay. Okay.
'Why the shyness in Q? Why the shyness? 4 minutes to go. That's what we want to see.
All right, all right, all right. I'm in 10 micros here.
Now let's see that continuation we're talking about.
I'm knocking myself out of this account. I think I may want to take one more trade. Should I take one more trade, you guys? What you think on this account? I'm one little scalp long. Hopefully, you come back down to 310. I'll look for a scalp long to like 340.
It depends where you are in
Only,
the account.
only if we break 2040, 340, and this is a retest. Otherwise, if it's like this, you're just playing a double top, which is not probability-wise not good. This coming from the structure expert.
I'm in 5 micros here from that original trade I took. I took it extremely heavy.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. We liking it. That's 100 points for me. That's 100 points. All right, let's. I gave you guys two 100 point trades today. I think my job here is done.
See you
Mo
tomorrow.
is Mo is scalping like crazy. Look at his face right now. You can see Mo is looking for something. He is looking
Yeah,
for something. What are you looking for?
I
You
am.
looking for 378? Because I'm looking for 378.
I don't know yet. I gotta see. I, something's calling my name. I just gotta figure out which one it is. This was a nice. I think this is where Cloud bought again. I'm not sure, but
Where like up here? Nah, this is where I wanted it to go. This morning.
okay. No, here. I mean, like the 250.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So I took. So like I took two trades in that area within like 2 minutes of each other. And usually when I do that, it's usually because my first trade was a small trade, and I took it kind of late, and I kind of hesitated, and I didn't have proper stop losses, and I was looking at the P&L more than the actual chart. And I took it again heavier. Looked at the chart. ignored my P&L, and I was just trimming based off my levels and based off the 4 hour forecast. Next thing you know, I looked at the P&L. I'm up. I trimmed majority 30 micros. I think
We're going now.
25, 30 points.
Let's go for 50.
I'm in 2 micros here. 2 micros here. I don't care whatever happens here. I have 1 micro stop loss at the 4 hour. I have another stop loss at the monthly open at 270. I'm leaving the market with something. So
Yep, liked the trade, liked Cloud's trade. First one more than the second. Oh,
what drink like the sec? I mean, yeah. I mean, DC, you're right. My first trade was good. I just my risk management was piss poor. And then my psychology around it was also piss poor. I had no business looking at my P&L when I entered the trade. All I should have done is just manage my position, set my stop loss at 15, 20 points like I said I was going to do, and just let the trade go. But I'm not mad that I caught 100 points you know, you know with with the micros I caught it with. So
no, of course not. No.
this makes up for last week. Last week was a hard week for us. I'm locking myself out of this account. I really want to close this trade out completely. We are going to have hesitation up here at 450. I really don't see us getting past 450 today for some reason. I could be wrong. I think 450 is going to be that wall.
Yeah, that's what I have. I have around the between 450 and like 470. Man, I can't believe the Chiefs are back in it again.
I mean, how can you not believe it? This is the narrative that they wanted to push. A first three-peat in football. The only
Yeah.
three-piece we've had has been in basketball, right? I don't think we've had one in hockey or baseball, have we?
No, only basketball.
Hold on, you guys.
All right, I know what it is. Yeah, I definitely overtrade when I'm on YouTube, for 100%. I'm writing that down in my journal. I should change the name to Overtrade King. Let's go here.
Ah, come on, you couldn't give 100, huh? You stopped at 97.25. How kind of you.
So I take it you're in long?
I am in long and I called it
Oh, okay. We'll run the tape for that one.
in my mind. I called it.
He's same place around the fifth or a little bit higher.
It was around 300 after we cleared the levels that we had to clear that were stacked very badly from the mentorship.
Hmm. If I just reduce the number of trades, that'll be a lot better. Yeah, so let me just take this off the screen. Yeah, so just so everybody knows, I'm done trading for the day, so I'm journaling now. That's why you see my chart. I journal right on YouTube, so you can see everything that I took today. I definitely am writing down too that while on the live call, I tend to overtrade, especially when there's lulls, because we're just waiting for the market to do something. So that means I'm gonna figure out something to do within those times, so I don't overtrade.
Haha. Haha. DeepSeek registration is restricted to China mobile phone numbers.
Told you.
That should push the market up a bit.
Yep, it's gonna fly now. You know what? Maybe I should buy into this ETF. Hold on a second. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Well, I mean, it was either this or Trump making a tweet that we're gonna ban DeepSeek here in the UCS because of the reasons that nobody cares
Yeah.
about. Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna ban it because letter A. Just like,
Yeah.
oh, okay, sure. Come on, get like, I don't know. Sometimes I just think it's like news is pushed out for a reason.
Indeed, it do.
That's what I believe. News is pushed out for a reason. What did it give us? What did the news give us? It gave us volatility. That's what it gave us. I mean, if you look on our charts, if you were on earlier, it gave you the volatility for the shorts. If you were on later, it gave you the volatility for the retracement longs. And you can see here, like you can see it directly on my chart. Like we'll go over the slide. You can see I took two shorts in the beginning because we were so overextended. But one thing I missed because I was so my bias was influenced so much by that huge move down that I failed to look at how the TPO was handling it and look at these algo candles that just, again, you have to go to DC setup to see how the settings for his algo candles. But they told the story. From when we came on to now, there hasn't been one red algo candle.
Bingo!
All day long. Like
Nice.
Not one.
Nice call out, Mo. Nice call out. That's why I didn't take even one short.
And why did I take this short here? To be honest, I was just bored. That's all it was. I was like, there's no explanation of why I would take a short except that I'm bored. And that's not good. So I have to make sure I'm doing something so I'm not bored, so I don't take foolish trades. This one just so happened to work out. This one I call luck. All right. Come on, ETF, get down to a cheap box so I can buy it. That's what it is, you know. So CR, I know you asked between the 30-second and the 1 minute. I mean, this just goes to show you, like, this is on the 30-second, but the whole time they stayed green. So it gave you a great indication on direction. On the 1 minute, this is the IVD candle, so they're a little different. But once they flipped over, again, once everything matches, you know, you can kind of see opportunities better once you've uh, read your chart and have a direction. You can see how your choices are more precise. Unless you get the direction wrong, like I do every other day, and then you have to sit back and say, what am I missing? What's going on? Why is everybody going long and I'm going short? But that's the honest truth. That's my internal dialogue. Okay, why is, if I hear that, or people text that, oh, I'm going short or this or that, I try to find, well, why? What am I seeing? Why am I seeing this? And if what I see is confirmed, I don't change. I don't flip flop as much, unless I get bored, which is a no no. Yeah. So basically, key to trading: don't get bored. Maybe this will turn into a trading/gaming channel because so this way, when stuff gets boring, I'll put a game on and then we'll flip back to the charts. Who knows?
Come on, just a little bit more. Come on.
Ooh, right there, 400. Okay, this is key area.
I'm securing 50. It shouldn't go below. Should go below what level I have? 350. It shouldn't go.
That's not what I want.
That's a double whammy. Okay, I see why we're dropping. It's understandable. I'll give you that, thank you. I mean, what Mo said, trading in itself should be boring, but you shouldn't be bored. if that makes sense.
Well, that's one thing I have to learn. Not to be bored.
I mean, I heard Cloud saying he's taking trades out of boredom as well. I might be wrong.
Yeah.
Not today, at a certain point in time.
let's see what we got going on. Hey guys, if you're watching now, write in the comments if you would like to see more of like live on YouTube journaling, like what I just did right here, and the explanations. Let me know if that helps you guys out, because I'll be more than happy to do it live on YouTube. I'll be honest with you, it just saves me time not doing it later. I'd rather do it live.
And it is also very good anti-procrastination method.
Yes, yeah, that's why I did it. Because I was like, I don't want to sit here later like, do I really have to do this? I like my kids doing homework. Like, why am I doing this now?
Why?
Like, I know what the trades I got in. Until somebody asks you, where'd you get in? Hold on, let me look.
Yep.
So on another chart, I'm watching an ETF that I like, um, and I'm using the 4 hour forecaster uh, for assistance. And I just love the way it was super expensive and how it's coming down right now. And I'm just waiting.
Nice.
I am just
Are
waiting.
you using the settings for stocks or still futures?
No, for I use the setting for stocks.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, for stocks. I have to remember that because sometimes I forget. I go, oh, it's a great time. It's like, hold on, guys. You gotta,
Let's double check it.
yeah.
Okay, so here we are below 350, 60.50, this area that I would like to hold and see the next leg up. Otherwise, it's not gonna be as fun as anymore. Obviously, mentorship knows why 412, 410, 412 area. We stopped. We started a big sell-off there. Cannot say more, but I noticed it rather late. And we have to find a way, if we can, to chew through those sellers. Otherwise, this New York around 250 points rally will come to an end.
Oh yes. Come on, baby. Let's go. Drop. This makes me so happy.
Yes, this is the reaction I want to see at this level, but I want to see it continue, not just some weak buyers trying to hold the level. Hmm.
show the. This is which one's this one? It's the 30-second. Let's look at the 1 minute. Well, there it was. Phew. Okay. Let's see what's going on in there.
Yep, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Now let's see us push more. And I'll be done for the day most likely. Whichever way this goes.
All right. Well, let's see. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's just do a little recap of the day. Uh, we'll look here at the 1 minute chart. So, if you are unaware, earlier in the day we had a massive sell-off overnight. I'm gonna take it from the perspective of uh, New York session, right? So before New York session, we had a massive sell-off, and then at around 6 a.m. Eastern time, we started the retracement. However, you did see in this 4 hour that we had something that's uncommon, where we were on such a push up that we were overextended on the 4 hour forecaster. What how can you interpret that if you have these indicators? One, you can obviously try short. Okay, you can try making sure your risk management is um, tight and your contract size is reasonable. I could take, for example, myself. I took two shorts here. Why? Because we were overextended. Maybe we were going down. However, once I reassessed that these algo candles were not changing, I was looking for opportunities long, even though knowing we were overextended. It just so happened on the 32nd, the setup came. It's a lot cleaner here on the 1 minute. We had a nice setup here at open. Took the long. For me personally, I did hit 100 points on this long, and then afterwards I took another scalp long here, and then I was bored. I took a scalp short here. Not recommended. Remember, don't copy trade. However, if you did hear what Cloud did, he took another long right here. And if you're looking at it through context and setups and everything, this is a higher probability trade than this lucky trade here. I'm going to say that one more time. Just so we can all see. This was a lucky trade. I'm going to call it a lucky trade because nothing else matched up. The only thing that I saw was that we could not pass here. So I decided to take a little scalp short. However, this is the better. If you were waiting for a trade, you could have taken this one. It was just a little bit early. But you had another opportunity right here. You see how we never came back to this area yet. And if you would have entered, you would have gotten 100 points or so. Maybe a little more, depending on where you entered. And now, what we can see now is the market's taken, I believe, a little breather. It's going to be 11 o'clock, so we might see price come down a bit because I think London is closing. And see if there's any more opportunities, see what changes. You can see here the dashboard is starting to change a bit, so that's something to keep an eye on. You can see on the 32nd, we have a flipped money zone. You can see on the 1 minute, it still says it's, if you entered this long, it's still good to stay in this long. I tend to agree with this. I like the longs. If you are looking for an entry point, let's say, wait for this breather to happen. Maybe it'll get to, are they in order? Let me just see something. No, okay. It could, if it stays above this cheap box, this is on small now. Okay, this is small setting. If it stays inside or above this, there'll still be a good opportunity for a long. If it breaks it, just wait for things to reset. Other than that, that's basically it. DC, do you have any
No, you
last
called
words
it
of
very
bullish?
good. I just want to say I'm out of the long. Unfortunately, didn't go to the target that I wanted by about 12 points. But followed the plan. That was the trade. That was the setup. Market does what it wants.
Yes. And even right now, you can see on the 1 minute, the IVD shows bullish weakness. So be prepared for price to come down. However, once it settles, you may find another opportunity. But until then, for Cloud and DC, please, thank you for joining today. We'll be back again tomorrow. And always remember, please trade what's on your chart. If you have any questions about any of these indicators, you could head over to the Discord. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have, help you get you set up into a setup that is closest to your trading style. And until then, My name's Mo. Thank you, DC. Thank you, Cloud. And we will see everybody tomorrow.
Talk soon, guys.
Take care.